Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Instagram account private. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So we could see there's an Instagram app. So I'm going to tap it here. I just tapped it and we just came to our Instagram account. So on the right hand side on the down, you could see there's my profile. So I'm going to tap it here. So this is my profile. To make your account private, we could see on the right hand side on the top, there's a three line section. So I'm going to tap it here as well. Further, we have to tap for setting and privacy. And we could see there's a setting and privacy. So we have to scroll a bit down and we could find our account privacy. On the right hand side, we could see there's a public. So we have to change it to private. So I'm going to tap it here as well. So for that, we have to just tap it on the right hand side like this. And we could see here's an option coming switch to private account. So on the bottom, there's a switch to private in the blue font. So I'm going to tap it here as well. So guys, we just made our Instagram account private. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you throughout, and please like and subscribe and also comment down below if you have any queries for it.